Maria, a Christian volunteer, heard about the flood in a distant village and rushed to help. The villagers were short of food, water, and medicine. Maria quickly called the local church team. The team focused on three things: distributing dry food and water, treating the sick, safe shelter for children. A temporary relief camp was set up with the funding of a Christian organization. They spread the message of Jesus' love. Maria said, "God loves you." These simple words gave hope to the villagers. This humanitarian aid from Christians is not only beneficial, but also builds bonds of love. How can you help? Write in the comments. Jesus said, "Love your neighbor as yourself." Mark 12:31.